Hello everyone, in this video I'm show you how to connect Wi-Fi without password. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Mobile screen and go to the setting and click on Wi-Fi. Now click on Wi-Fi, I want you to connect and click here. Now open proxy. Select second option. Sacral Town. Now click on proxy host name and type proxy linux.com. Now click on proxy port and type 8080. Now click on bypass proxy for and type localhost Sacral Town. No click on IP settings. Select second option, Sacral Town. Click on IP address. Now do same to same. Now check my all setting into same. Now confirm and your wife connects successful. This setting not work on different overseas. No, if you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.